So Dr. Marshall, this is what we did yesterday. So it's a repair procedure. He had a procedure in Turkey with 4,500 grafts. So they put the grafts up here, very straight hairline, 2s and 3s on the hairline. Nothing was done for temporal points. So with that straight hairline and temporal points going back, it was obviously not natural. So what we did, we removed this section. If you come closely here, you see these 2 wedges are removed from the corner. So instead of straight, we made it more of a mature hairline. We put some singles in front and some 2s and 3s behind the front to give him more density and more fullness because he comes from front to back. So what was going on, it was a straight hairline, not a full density. So he was kind of thin all over. So we made at least the front thicker because when we come from front to back, front goes hand in hand with the rest of the hair and creates a coverage for the top. And then the crown, he didn't have anything. So if he ended up growing his hair and making it longer, it would have been like a comb over. Now the crown is covered, not a big number, a smaller number, but at the same time, you know, a decent coverage for the crown. So it goes hand in hand with hair from the front. So some of the challenges that we had was removal of those hairs. 90% we removed them. So he may grow some of them that he has to clip probably over the next, whenever everything grows.
And I think they said when they removed donors from the tattoo area, the top of them were dark.
Yes, that's the thing. So turn around to that side. So we couldn't avoid removing from those areas because his donor was not very generous with the over-harvesting that they've done. So we had to remove hair everywhere, including in the areas that was tattooed. So what's the situation? The tattooed follicle, the follicular units that had tattooed, on top of them they had pigments. We didn't want to put them on the hairline in front, so we separate them exclusively, separated them and put them on the crown area, so it would look like a SMP almost. So which is helpful on the crown, but it's definitely a bad idea to put them in front. So it was multi-level procedure of separating singles, 2s and 3s, separating the hair that we removed from the front rather than hair from the back, and also separating the ones that are pigmented and non-pigmented. So that's considered a very complex case, but it was done. Congratulations.
I'm happy.
Good.
I feel like Brad Pitt now.
Oh, there we go. That's